Acha. Now let me share the screen. All of you are able to see the screen? Acha. Look, basically there are so many rules under so many properties under addition and subtraction, okay? And also multiplication, division. But the fact is, we will know about only that properties which are in your syllabus, okay? Is my voice clear to all of you? Just shake your head. Acha, okay. Acha, only we learn that properties which are in your syllabus. Clear to? Now just let me explain this one. Acha, commutative property under addition already yesterday I explained, but you have not written. So today just write this one. Look, all of you can see the screen. Commutative property, basically I explained. If we interchange, suppose we are taking two numbers, okay? One number 13, another number 15, okay? Now, commutative property under addition and under multiplication, we need to know only these two. Because under subtraction and under division, basically it is not satisfied, okay? Achha, now, suppose we are taking two numbers, 13 and 15. Try to understand first, huh? No need to write. Don't write right now. Achha. 13 plus 15, under addition it is given, na? So as it is given under addition, so we have to add them. Look, we are adding this, and what we have got it? What have we got? 13 plus 15. If we add this, this will be 28. Yes, though? Yes. Now, if we change its order, first we are taking 15. Then we are taking 13. And also we are adding this. Look, we have changed its position. Then also look, we have got 28. Have we got any other number? No, na. Ultimately the result, the addition is same. Yes or no? Just you can shake your head if you have understood. Just we have changed its place. So ultimately, because of changing the place, the result is different. No, na. The result is actually same. So this is called commutative property under addition. When it will be commutative property under multiplication, then only there will be multiplication sign. Suppose 7 into 3, which is equal to, if we change its place, 3 into 7. Just take the first one at last and take the last one at first. Is it clear? It is under multiplication, that's why we have multiplied. When it is under addition, we have to add. Okay. Now I have made you understand by using some number. Here we have written by taking some alphabets, that is in general form, okay? Usually, if we take any number, it will be a particular case now. So we are not going to write in a particular case, okay? So in general form, we are writing the rule or property, okay? Now just, acha, in your syllabus right now you have the only. Multiplication is not over there, okay? So just write this under addition part, not this multiplication. I have made you understand, it is good, just remember it. But in your syllabus only this one. So write only addition part, okay? Give heading and write up to this. Look, it is written over there. If we, this one is we, huh? WE. If we change the position of numbers while adding, while what? While adding, right? That means if we change the position, look, suppose we are taking any two number here, look at the example 17 and 21. If we are changing the position, suppose this plus this, and we are changing 21 plus 17 while adding, okay? then the answer remains same. Yes, this one plus 17 plus 21 is equal to 38, and 21 plus 17, if we change the position, then also it is 38. Then the answer remains same. Is it clear? Let A and B be two number. Acha, B I have written two times. Huh? This B will not be there. A and B, let A and B be two numbers. Then A plus B is equal to B plus A. Okay. If you are unable to see the screen, just you can zoom in or out accordingly. And I have also given one example, 17 and 21. Okay. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Because A plus B is equal to, we have to take the last one at first, B plus first one at last, A. Ultimately, both are same. Acha, all of you, if you have understood this, shake your head. I want to see all the heads. Have you understood? Yes, okay. Acha, okay. Okay, good. Acha, no need to write under multiplication part, huh? Today, after this property, I'll complete exercise C also, okay? So, write little bit fast. Write a little faster, okay? Ashmit, you have done. That's why you want to dance. Ashmit Bosch. Acha, Vaishani, Ovipsha, I can't see both of you. Ah, yes. Okay. Acha, you have written now. Look at this. All of you written, so you can show me your hand in front of the camera. If you have written up to this one. If you have written up to this, you can show me your hand in front of the camera. Acha, not written, okay. Acha, now associative property. Acha, there is one important part. Look at this. Basically, commutative property always holds for addition and multiplication. Okay, it is basically it is not satisfied under subtraction and division. Why? Look, if we take any number, these two numbers, 21 and 17. If we do the subtraction, look at this. What will be the answer? 4. But if we do the if we do it alternatively, suppose after changing the position, 17 minus 21, then look, then also it will be normal subtraction from the greater one, the lesser one. But the fact is, always after doing the subtraction, we have to put greater one sign. Here, greater one is 21. So it will be minus 4. It is not same, okay? Basically, from less number, we cannot subtract greater one now. If we subtract this, it will be a negative number. So, for subtraction, division, it is not, sometimes it is not satisfied, sometimes satisfied. Because when both number are same, then it is satisfied, okay? Acha. Now, if you have written up to this, then associative property under addition, only up to this one. Not under multiplication. Acha, I am moving for the next one. I think all of you written. So, let me move for the next one. Acha, at first, let me confirm it. Acha, you have all of you completed the commutative property under addition. Shake your head. Anjum, Ananya, Oishi, keep your camera on. Oishani, Obhipsha, what happened? Paushali, Somdatta. Acha, okay, now let me move for the next one. Look, associative property under addition. Not that multiplication part you will do, only that addition, under addition part, huh? Only this one. Let me explain this. Basically, in case of associative property, we need to take three numbers, huh? Suppose I am taking 7, 3 and 5. Okay, I have taken associative property under addition. Yes, so under addition means we have to add them. Look, 7 plus 3 plus 5. But the fact is, which one we will add first? This 7 plus 3 first, or 3 plus 5 first, or 7 plus 5 first? This is the fact now. Now let me explain. Look, I am taking 7 plus 3 plus 5. Okay? It doesn't matter in which order we are adding. Okay, this is associative property. Suppose we are adding first two numbers first. At first, we are adding first two numbers. So 7 plus 3, it will be 10 plus this 5. Ultimately, it will be 15. This one is clear. Now, in the other hand, we are doing, look, suppose we are taking another way. It is 7 plus 3 plus 5. So, here we have taken first two number first. Here we will take last two number first. Understood? These two number first. Okay. So now look at this. 7 will remain as it is. Plus this 5 plus 3 is equal to what? 8. Now it is equal to 15. Ultimately, look, both the answers are same na? Yes, to? Yes, shake your head if it is clear to you. Yes? Acha, okay, good. That means it doesn't matter if we are, in which way we are adding them. Basically, the answer will always be same, right? That is associative property under addition. Acha, in case of multiplication, it will be, suppose 3 into, acha, 7 we have, I was taking, wait, 7 into 3 into 5. First 2 in the bracket is equal to 7 into last 2 will be in bracket. Just in place of addition sign, there will be into multiplication sign. Okay, but no need to write multiplication part, only addition part. This one right. Give heading associative property under addition. Associative property under addition. Okay. Now write this. Look, I am reading it. The sum of 3 or, acha, it is also written O, na? It will be or, huh? The sum of 3 or more numbers will not change. However, the numbers are grouped while adding. However, the numbers are grouped means what? Means that example I took now. In the first, look, in the first way, these two are in groupism. And in the second way, 7 is single, but 3 and 5 is in a group. So, in which group we are making, ultimately how, in which way we are making the group and we are adding, doesn't matter. Ultimately, the answer is same. Okay? Now just write it. Write up to this. Okay? Look, if we are taking three numbers A, B and C, are three numbers there, generally we are not doing in a particular case. Okay? General from three numbers we are taking A, B, C. Achha. Then A plus B plus C, look, A plus B is in first bracket, is equal to A plus B plus C is in first bracket. Okay? Make the box also. make that rectangular box also. Okay, do up to this. I have also given an example. I think now this one is clear to all of you. Yes or no? Anjum, you have done? Good. Now give a heading, property of 0. Acha, no need to write this one. Acha, in associative also, that star marks, look, associative property is also hold for addition and multiplication, okay, not for division or subtraction. Okay, some if the numbers are same. Okay, now just look at this, just write up to even write this one. Acha, now give heading, property of 0, property of 0. Given heading, third one, okay. Acha, all of you just let me check. All of you done up to this, so then I can move the screen. That associative property under addition done, so all of you say Ushnata done, so just you can shake your head. No, acha, acha, I am waiting. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I am waiting. Then at first do up to this, then I'll move for property of 0. Acha, it is 12:05. Let me wait for 12:07. Okay, 2 minutes I am waiting. After 2 minutes, I'll start to explain about property of 0. Okay. Acha, no need to write this side. Huh? Just only up to this. Acha, this one is not O, it will be OR. One by one, show me your copy. Show me your copy one by yes. The name I am calling Vaishani, Obipsha, Anjum, Anubhav, and Afrina. Show me your copy. Anubhav, write fast and show me your copy. Yes, I have seen this 5 copy. Shaud, Nusaiba, Shaud Laskon, Nusaiba, show me your copy. Acha, okay. Acha, Ankita, Sushnata, Shampriti, Shrestha. Okay. Shrestha completed, then show me your copy. Acha. Prativa, Meheria, Paushali, Ashmit, Maushim. Paushali completed fast. I have given you so many times. I have given you so many times. Till now, you are not completing. Shulagna, Sheikh Irfan, Wahia. Acha, when I am calling the name for copy, then I am taking the attendance. Okay, so be careful. You need to show your copy. I am not going to take the attendance again individually at the last of this class. Okay. Right now, I am calling your name. I'll check your copy and I'll take the attendance. Understood? Acha, Mausha, Sheikh Intekab, Shulagna, Bonosri, Bahia, Nusaiba, already I have seen Shornakshi. Now give heading property of 0. So there is also property of 1. At first, understand property of 0. What is property of 0? Basically, there is a fixed rule in 0. All of you know it, okay? If we add 0 to a number, then ultimately, what will be the answer? Will you get any other answer? No, that number will be back. Suppose I am taking 1364. Then we are adding 0 with this number. Okay. Then what will be the answer? 1364. Ultimately, this number is back. Yes. In any way you can add. Suppose we are adding 0 first. 0 plus 1364. Then also what will be the answer? 1364. Basically, it doesn't matter whether we are adding this in the left side or right side, in any way, right? So just write the example first. After that, write if we add 0 to any number, then the number, the resultant value will be the number itself, okay? Or you can write the answer, or it will be much better, right? We will get the number back in one short line. We will get that number back. Acha, no dot means number, huh? No dot, I am writing that number back. Okay, write this. Acha, I am also taking a screenshot of this portion. I will upload this. Okay. All of you written up to this? First, within 1 minute complete it. Then I will complete exercise C today, huh? Chapter 4, exercise C. All of you open. There is only fill in the blanks by using this property. Okay. You have to fill in the blanks. Take a pencil. By pencil, you have to do it in your book. Okay. All of you take out your book, chapter 4, exercise. See, let me show you. At first, complete up to this. Okay, completed. Let me wait for 1 minute, then I'll move. Huh? I'm waiting for 1 more minute. And yes, I can see most of the students completed this one. Okay, then open your book. Exercise C. Achha, I told you, yes, this one, exercise C. Oh, what? You have already done. Anjum, if you have done in book, it is not done in class. So, you have done it yourself, either in home or in any other place, okay, private tuition, whatever. But just be careful. When I am solving this in class, this is your class work, okay? So, you have to do it. And I am not going to see whether you have completed it in your book or not. Okay? If you completed this before the class, then okay, not an issue. but in your class you also have to do it. Then just take out a copy and in the copy do it. Okay. Okay, now let me move. Just wait for a minute. This one is exercise C, right? Those who have already done it, okay, in home, that is good. I'm not going to say anything, but today you have to do in copy, okay? And those who have not done in book, do it in the book. Look at this. The first one is given. Dash, fill in the blanks. Dash plus 79,588 is equal to 79,588. Now, if we add any number, then we'll get the number back. No, only in case of 0, we'll get the number back. Property of 0, na? Yes. Look, it is 79,588. Also, the answer is 79,588. So, if we are adding 1, then also it will be 79,589. Na? It will increase. So, definitely, property of 0 we have to apply. We have to add 0. If we add 0, it is the property of 0. Acha, in bracket, write it by pencil. Property of 0. Property of 0, Z-E-R-O. Not just in this way 0. Okay, here you will write 0. But when you will write in bracket, then property of 0, Z-E-R-O. Done? First one, all of you done? Okay, now the second one. Second one is also property of 0, na? Look, it is given 44,144 plus 0. We are adding. Then the answer will be, it will remain same though. 44,144. Yes, we will get that number back. So it is also same. Okay. Are you doing it? What happened, Ovipsha? And Anjum, where are you? Yes. Achha, now just do it. Number third one, number C. 0 plus something is equal to 61,782. What is given in the question? Let me zoom it again, then wait. Look at this. 0 plus something is equal to, we have got 61,782. Definitely this number, the number itself. Okay. Property of 0. Now number D, again it is also same. I told you it doesn't matter in which way we are adding, in the left side or in the right side. Look, it will be 51,889. Property of 0. Okay. Up to D, I think all of you done. These are property of 0. Okay, number E. Now let me move for number E. Achha, today I'll do only up to E, okay? Then F, G, H, I, J, these 5 questions. Tomorrow I'll complete this within 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. After that, I'll start next exercise. Okay. Now, number E. It is commutative property. Look at this. It is commutative property. Look, first number we are adding plus second number, another number. Okay, first number is 1,68,139. Plus we are adding 41,233. Just this place should be changed. First one will come at last one will come first. Look here already, last one is in the first already written. Yes, first one is already here. So we have to take the last one in the first one in the last. Yes, 1,68,139. It is commutative property under addition. Right over there, commutative property under addition. Commutative property under addition. Okay. Shampriti, done? Okay, good. I'll stop to share for today. Okay, tomorrow be class in time. Okay. Let me unmute all of you.